Hugga? Hugs? Hugs?
Yeah, hugs. Where's hugs?
Hugs? Hugs.
Say hugs.
Yeah? Are you gonna go to California with mommy?
Yay! Yes.
Oh, ah! Are you gonna see Santa Claus?
What's Santa say? Santa. What's Santa say, baby?
Yeah. Oh, what does Santa do? Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas! Caroline, are you going to see Great Grandma Dolly?
Yes.
Great Grandma Doris? Where is she? Oh yes, there's your Great Grandma Doris. Are you going to give her kisses? Yes, good. What about Grandpa? Do you love Grandpa? Where's Grandpa? He's over there. Are you going to give Grandpa a kiss? That's your Grandpa? Oh, good. Kissing on Grandpa. What about Santa? Where's Santa? You don't know? Where's Santa? He's over there. Do you like Santa? Yeah, you love him? He's stinky? Those are mommy's shoes. You can wear mama's shoes? Yeah. Can you get your other foot in? No. Not by yourself. There we go. Oh, good job, baby. Good job, baby Ken. Ooh, look at you. You're styling. She looks so disproportionate.
Yeah.
Hey, what does a skunk say, Caroline? What's a skunk say? What's a lion say? What? What's a lion say? What's a kitty say? Ah, what's a kitty say? Ah, that's a lion. But you know what a kitty says. What's a kitty say? Moo? Meow? What's a cow say? Moo. What's the puppy say? Ooh, ooh.
It's a pig, see?
Do you know what a pig says? That's the cow. Yeah, you look goofballish.
What's the pig say? Oink, oink. Careful.
Hey, watch out for that big head, baby.
It's your big head. Don't
It looks so funny. It's like her diaper's resting on the boots.
Yeah.
Cover her whole legs. Caroline, do you want to go see Santa?
Where's the model? Where's the model, baby?
Woo woo! Caroline, do you want to go to California?
Yes.
Caroline, look at mommy. Hey, Caroline. Caroline. Cute baby. Where's daddy? Where's your daddy? He's at work? Do you want to give daddy kisses? Are you going to dance? Ooh. That's a good dancer. Yeah. Can you tell us what a kitty says? Hmm?